Hi guys, today we talk about how can you get apps by Mobisystem on your MobiOffice app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on apps by Mobisystem, you just click on it here. When you just click on apps by Mobisystem, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then here can you get your apps here from by Mobisystem. It's going to show for you in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a good thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.